Jean-Baptiste David, 25 January 1801, Lier 24 March 1866, Leuven, was a canon and professor Dutch and history at the Katholieke Universiteit Leuven. Jean-Baptiste David was born in the Belgian city of Lier. As a professor he worked together with Jan Frans Willems and was president of the first and second Taelcongres that resulted in the language unity between the Netherlands and Flanders. He was the editor of the first United Dutch Dictionary that was published in 1864. He also wrote several books on the history of Flanders. He died in 1866 in Leuven. To his honor, the Davidsfonds was founded in 1875 with the purpose to promote the Flemish literature, culture and history. Bibliography: Vaderlandse History, 11 volumes, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 1, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 2, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 3, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 4, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 5, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 6, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 7, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 8, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 9, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 10, 1842-1866. Vaderlandse History. Deel 11, 1842-1866. Geschiedenis van Sint Albertus van Leuven, 1843. Geschiedenis van de Stad en de Heerlijkheid van Mechelen, 1854. Nederduits sprekend, 2 vol. 1833-1835. Van Merlens from Bible, 4 vol. 1858-1864. Werken van Jan van Ruysbroek, 5 vol. 1858-1868. See also: Flemish literature. Sources: Media related to Jean-Baptiste David at Wikimedia Commons. Jean-Baptiste David, Dutch. Jean-Baptiste David, Dutch. Jean-Baptiste David, Dutch.